if your street photos still look flat and boring, even in black and white, you must be making one mistake. And no, it's not your camera. It's this one setting that almost nobody is using properly. And once you fix it, your photos instantly go from this to this. And the crazy part is, it only takes 2 seconds to change. Most people let the camera decide exposure. And I'm sure you all know the camera's job is to balance everything. But here's the problem. Balanced equals boring. Just like these photos here. In street photography, especially black and white, you don't want balance. You want contrast. As an example, in the image we have here, the metering is set to center weighted metering, and the whole scene has evenly balanced light across the whole image. And now I'm going to take a shot using center weighted metering. And there we have a flat, boring image. And this is where spot metering changes everything. So now I'm going to set the camera to spot metering. Instead of the camera looking at the whole scene, spot metering looks at one tiny area. And you're the one who decides what gets exposed correctly. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. You can see the focus point is moving across the image, and where it is targeted, the scene changes. If you go over to the highlights, the shadows get darker, and if you go over to the midtones, the image gets brighter. And that is how you control your exposure. But here's the part that nobody explains. You don't just use spot metering. You use it on the highlights. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if your highlights are correct, everything else falls into shadow. And that's where the drama comes from. And I'll show you in these two images the difference when using centered metering or matrix metering compared to spot metering. Let me show you exactly how I use this in the street. I won't be shooting everything, I'm waiting for the light first. And let me show you what I mean. We have great contrast in the shot using spot metering, but I will crush the blacks even more in post. And I will also raise the whites. Now I'm going to tell you my camera settings. So we have the camera metering set to spot metering, and we have the exposure compensation. I dial it down to around -1. My aperture is somewhere between f5.6 and f8, and my ISO is set to auto. And my shutter speed is also set to auto, depending on the scene that you're shooting. If you try this and the photos still look boring, it's not the settings, it's your light. You're shooting in soft, even light, which gives you soft, even results. What you need is harsh light, hard shadows, and contrast. And once you start controlling exposure like this, you stop taking photos and you start designing them instead. And that is the difference between snapshots and images that actually stand out. So everyone, try this method that I'm telling you, and you will see the amazing results you get. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and please share your results down below. And if you want to learn more about black and white photography, street photography, or even landscape photography, you should watch these videos here. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one.